So what is Excel is used for? Many people think that it is a simple spreadsheet package, but I will disagree with them. It is not a simple spreadsheet package. It is a very interactive data processing software. Here in this template, we can see that the university expense estimator, this is a very interactive graphical presentation you can make by yourself in many other templates or by using your own techniques. This is a simple template made by the Excel, and I'm showing you the only thing that the how you can present your information. Now I'm showing you the another one I've made. This is a very simple spreadsheet or worksheet. Here the monthly sales report is been given, so very easily you can know the average, the price, the total selling price of each product. For many purposes you can use Excel. Thousands of ways. You can make graphs, datas, pivot tables, and many more ways you can use it. There are thousands of applications you can do with this simple software. So those people who says that this is the only package, only spreadsheet package, I will strongly disagree with them, because this is not only the spreadsheet package. This is a modern data processing software, so from where you can take critical decisions, that you can present your informations to your subordinates, to your seniors very effectively and efficiently. So let's go to the next lecture.